Hello again, and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, I'm sitting in the car. My wife is shopping in the supermarket. She said she would only be about 10 minutes. That was 45 minutes ago. So, I've been sitting here waiting for the last 45 minutes. I have been, present perfect continuous. I have been. There's duration in I have been sitting here waiting. I'm a little bit irritated, which is why I am also using the present perfect continuous. It gives emotion. It gives feeling. Fingers crossed, she'll be out again soon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. At least we'll have lots of food in the fridge. Bye-bye for now.